Welcome to Ziltaro. It's Mahiti Jamanjibur. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the problem you're facing to change file extension by renaming it. So let's get started. This problem generally occurs when you bought a new computer or maybe sometimes after installing a newer version of Windows. So here we have a text file here and we have to rename it, change the extension to PDF, p.pdf. But you see the extension isn't changing. So what you can do, we have to change the setting from control panel. So let's go to control panel first. Here we go, appearance and personalization. Then you have to click on the file explorer options and a pop-up will come. Then we click on the view tab and we will find an option here, hide the extensions for known file types, and we will unmark this. Click on apply, OK, close, and let's see if we can change the extension of files or not. Click yes, we can. We're done. That's all. Thank you.